Can a machine ever truly replace the warmth of another human being? In China, some manufacturers believe technology is getting closer than ever to answering that question. But what you're about to see isn't just another factory production line. It's a place where artificial intelligence and traditional craftsmanship work side by side to create figures that look astonishingly human. Every project begins inside a computer. Using advanced AI software, designers create a completely unique face, carefully adjusting facial proportions, expressions, and countless tiny details until every model has its own identity. But designing the face is only the beginning. Engineers then build a durable stainless steel skeleton with dozens of movable joints, allowing the figure to bend, sit, stand, and pose with movements that closely resemble those of a real person. Lightweight foam is added over the frame to recreate natural body proportions, while keeping the structure strong yet manageable. Next comes one of the most critical stages of the entire process. Instead of simply pouring silicone into a mold, technicians inject medical-grade platinum silicone through a complex internal piping system. This slow and carefully controlled process removes trapped air, allowing the material to fill every corner of the mold evenly. The silicone is then left to cure naturally for many hours, helping preserve its elasticity, softness, and durability. But even after all of that, the figure still doesn't look alive. The final transformation depends entirely on human hands. Artists spend hours painting delicate veins beneath the silicone to recreate the subtle color variations found in real skin. Then comes perhaps the most time-consuming task of all. Using fine needles, they implant every strand of hair, every eyebrow, and every eyelash, one by one, carefully controlling the direction, spacing, and density to achieve an incredibly natural appearance. It's this remarkable combination of cutting-edge technology and extraordinary human patience that creates the finished result. So, if you had the choice, would you rather save your money for a traditional wedding or bring home this AI creation instead?